The Kytera Cloud Connector makes it easy to view all of your Kytera device data in SkySpark. Officially endorsed by Kytera, this Phantom Factory extension for SkySpark 3.1 is available now on StackHub. The Kytera Cloud Connector provides efficient and optimized support for all of this. Interested? Well, let's take you on a quick walkthrough of how to use it. We've set up a Kytera Laser Egg as an example device with these measurements, or points, of data. We will now look at how to install our connector and view this data in a SkySpark installation. In our SkySpark instance, we shall use our example project called Kytera. Using the Builder application, note that we have prepared a new equip ready to associate with our Laser Egg data. So, now to purchase the Kytera Cloud Connector on StackHub. Create a free account on StackHub, and your organization may use its direct integration feature to install packages directly into SkySpark. In your SkySpark project, you can log into your StackHub account from the install screen. Look through the packages which are available to your StackHub account and install it. Quickly restart SkySpark, and then once your new extension is enabled in SkySpark, it's ready to use. We may now configure our Kytera connector using our Kytera dashboard login details, like so. After adding the credentials, a ping will tell us if this connector is operational. All looks great. Con status is OK. If you are using Kytera two-factor authentication, then you may notice this instead, con status fault. To enter your Kytera two-factor authentication code, you'll need to use an Axon function in the shell tool, like this. Refer to our documentation if you need help with this. Remember, your two-factor authentication will need to be re-entered every 30 days. Another ping will tell us if the job is done. Now we're ready to configure the data. Remember our example equipment? The Laser Egg at our satellite office in Southampton? Let's associate our Kytera data now, just by clicking into the Learn tree on the right. Note that this connector automatically adds the Kytera Cloud test devices, in addition to any devices in our Kytera account. We can choose to bind all of the points we want to track in SkySpark. How about these? A quick select and it's done. If we look at our monitor application, we can view our current Kytera data. If we synchronize the history of our points, let's say for the last 2 days, we can easily view all of the historical data for our Laser Egg points. If you don't have any devices in your Kytera account yet, you can bind the points from the Kytera test device for evaluation purposes. We provide full documentation on the Kytera Cloud Connector on our StackHub page. But if you have any further questions, just ask us. Phantom Factory, helping to overcome your technical challenges.